Hughes in the kitchen here to share some exciting news. Le Creuset has produced a French oven to celebrate Canada's 150th anniversary. Now, it's a limited edition, and they've only produced 1,867 with the maple leaf embossed right on the top. It's beautiful. Now, these get better with time. I know it's a collector's edition and you want to keep it and you want to cherish it, but it'll get better and better the more you use it. So get in the kitchen and start cooking. So I'm gonna make a really simple focaccia recipe with a couple twists. I'm gonna need 4 1/4 cups of flour. So next I need a generous tablespoon of salt right in there. We're gonna need 750 milliliters of room temperature water, and we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of yeast. Just drop it in there and mix it up. So I'm gonna mix it just a little bit, and I wanna let it sit for about 2-3 minutes, make sure that all this kind of activates and it's ready to go. Yeast is ready. All I gotta do is mix it in there. All right, so there's really no science to this. You gotta get your hands dirty. Get in there and mix it all up. Now I'm looking for something that's kind of like a pancake mix, you know, maybe not as wet, but once it's all mixed up together, it looks something like this. Now, I know what you're saying. It doesn't look amazing, but give me 45 minutes, I guarantee you, this is gonna be fantastic. You just wanna put a little bit of plastic wrap and just let it sit in a nice warm spot for about 45 minutes. So it's been about 45 minutes, it's doubled in size, and it's looking perfect, ready to go. Now, next step, what we wanna do is we wanna add some flavor. So I'm gonna add a little bit of red pepper spread. So this is gonna give it some flavor, some color, and a little bit of spice. Beautiful, it's looking good. Little pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, and some olive oil. And now, one last touch, cheese curds. Oh yeah. Now this is obviously kind of a classic around here, and you know, you can't go wrong with cheese. Couple handfuls right in there. So all we want to do now is mix everything together by folding it right in. So not complicated, but gotta get my hands dirty again. And really just like that, you kind of just fold it all in, mix it together 5-6 times. We're good to go. This is looking perfect. I'm almost there. All I want to do is pop it in our French oven. So I've got a little bit of olive oil and a parchment paper. In general, Le Creuset pots don't stick, but because I'm creating this really heavy crust on the bottom, I really don't want to take a chance. So I'm gonna pop this in there. It's gonna create a really thick, crispy, crunchy crust, almost like pan pizza. Looks good. Now you want to let it sit for about 20 minutes. So it's been sitting for 20 minutes. Let's check it out. Wow, it looks great. So you see it's risen a little bit more and it's perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit more hot pepper spread, some olive oil, salt, rosemary. We're gonna pop it in the oven. Pretty simple. Pop it in the oven for an hour and we'll eat. And that's it. As easy as that. Man, it looks good.